Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of x multiplied with e to the power of x over the square root of 1 minus e to the power of x dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equal to 1 minus e to the power of x. We do first the derivative in the both side. You will go about the u equal to negative e to the power of x dx. We move negative on the left, so that's the negative du. Next, we need to find the value of x in here. So we will use this equation in here. So e to the power of x equal to 1 minus u, and we use about ln is about natural law in here, and that should be about ln of e to the power of x equal to ln of 1 minus u. This one you will got about x, and now we need to change this integral. This one we change for u, x we change for ln of 1 minus u, e to the power of x dx we change for negative du. Next, we need to use about integration by parts. So we have t and dv. About t, we will use about ln of 1 minus u. So we do first the derivative of this one. You will get about dt equal to negative 1 over 1 minus u du. The next one, that's about dv equals to 1 over the square root of u. And you have the negative in here. So we should be about u multiply with the square root of u with the negative. Now we need to change this one. T multiply with v, so you got about negative. This one multiply with this one. We have negative and negative, you go about the positive, so we will about the negative in here, and you will get about the square root of u, and we have 1 minus u du with number 2. And now we need to consider about this one. In this situation, I will use about integration by substitution. So I will choose about u equal to t squared du equal to ut dt. About u, we put our t squared in here. This one is about t squared. du we change for qt dt. And now we have number 2, and number 2 we got about number 4. This is about t. T multiplied with t, you got about t square. So we put negative in here. So in this situation, t square minus 1. Next, I will put about negative number 1 plus number 1. T square minus 1 divide t square minus 1. You will got about 1 plus 1 over t square minus 1. So in here I will put about t minus 1 multiplied with t plus 1. On numerator, I will put about t plus 1 minus t minus 1. Because negative, you got about positive number 1. 1 plus 1 is about 2. So in here, we will need to put about 1 over 2. So t plus 1 divide t plus 1. You will get about 1 over t minus 1. T minus 1 divide t minus 1. You will get about negative 1 over t plus 1. And now we have the negative number 4. We multiply with number 1 and 1 over 2. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of negative number 4, you will go about negative 4t. The integral of 1 over t minus 1, you will get about ln of absolute value of t minus 1. Because we had a negative and a negative, so you go about positive. And now we need to change t back to this one. That's about t equals for the square root of u. So we put this one in here and here. Next, we need to combine the result in here with this one. Oh, I need to change in here too. So we got about I equals to this one. Because we have the negative in here, so we need to change the sign in here, and that should be about 4 multiplied with the square root of u in the positive, this one in the positive, this one go to negative, and we put about c in here. About this one, we need to put inside the absolute value. And now about u, we need to change back for this one. So we put in here. One minus one, they will cancel. So this one, you got about s. We put s in here. we change this one in here, and in here, and this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.